There is a saying known as give a man a fish and you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Similarly, we Sri Dhaneshwari Shaikshnik Sankul, Gevrai, Tanda, Paitan Road, Aurangabad focus on giving our student career for life rather than just a job for life. We follow curriculum which is industry relevant, highly qualified experienced faculty who are training students for multiple skill acquisition, research orientation, shaping future of education and grooming budding pharmacists. In this particular presentation, we are going to see what is pharmacy, courses in pharmacy, career opportunities in pharmacy, eligibility criteria, admission procedure, about us, facility in Dhaneshwari Shaikshnik Sankul, and fee structure. To begin with, what is pharmacy? Pharmacy is a drugstore management along which deals in compounding and dispensing of medicine. A pharmacist ensures the supply of medicine prescribed to patients are suitable, advising patients about medicine. A pharmacist can choose career option in research and development of medicine. Courses in pharmacy: there are 3 courses offered in pharmacy: diploma in pharmacy of 2 years, bachelor in pharmacy of 4 years, and master in pharmacy of 2 years duration. Coming to the course detail, diploma in pharmacy is extended over a period of 2 academic years. The curricular and syllabus is prescribed from time to time by Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education and implemented by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. It includes theory, tutorials and practicals for 2 years. The Bachelor of Pharmacy is extended over a period of 8 semesters, that is 4 academic years, and 6 semesters, that is 3 academic years for lateral entry students. The curricular and syllabus is prescribed from time to time by Council of India, New Delhi, and implemented by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. It includes theory, tutorials and practicals for 4 years. The Master in Pharmacy is extended over a period of 4 semesters, that is 2 academic years. The curricular and syllabus is prescribed from time to time by Central Regulatory Body, New Delhi, and implemented by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. It includes theory, tutorials, practicals and project for 2 years. Coming to the eligibility criteria, to get admission in diploma first year, it is required to complete the high secondary certificate in the science stream. Required subjects are physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics. To get admission in first year B Pharm, the candidate should be an Indian national. He or she should pass HSC or equivalent examination passed with physics, chemistry or as a compulsory subject along with one of the mathematics, biology, biotechnology and obtain prescribed 50% marks. At least 45% marks in case of backward class category and person with a disability belonging only to Maharashtra state. Obtain score in MST, CET or NEET or any other criteria declared by the appropriate authority from time to time. To get admission in direct second year, that is lateral entry, the candidate should be an Indian national. He or she should pass diploma course in pharmacy with minimum 45% marks for open category and 40% marks in case of reserve category from an All India Council of Technical Education or Pharmacy Council of India or central or a state government approved institution or its equivalent, and candidate should belong to Maharashtra state only. To get admission in M.Pharm first year, the candidate should be an Indian national. He or she should pass B Pharmacy or equivalent examination passed and obtain prescribed 55% marks, at least 50% marks in case of backward class category and person with a disability belonging only to Maharashtra state. He or she should obtain varied score in GPAT or equivalent examination. Entrance test for first year B Pharmacy and M Pharmacy admission and D Pharmacy admission. For D Pharmacy, Government of Maharashtra conducts the MST CET examination for admission in pharmacy diploma courses being conducted in Maharashtra state. For B Pharmacy, Government of Maharashtra conducts the MST CET examination for admission in pharmacy degree courses being conducted in Maharashtra state. Otherwise, national eligibility entrance test for admission in pharmacy degree courses being conducted in all over India. For Master in Pharmacy, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi conducts the GPAT examination for admission in pharmacy postgraduate course being conducted in all of India. Should valid obtain non-zero score in all the tests. Essential documents required for admission in first year diploma B Pharmacy, direct second year and first year M Pharmacy. You require HSC and SSC mark sheet, leaving or transfer certificate, MST CET NEET mark sheet, diploma in pharmacy first year second year mark sheet, GPAT valid scorecard, caste and caste validity certificate, non-creamy layer certificate, nationality, domicile, income certificate or Aadhaar card, educational GAP affidavit, nationalized bank account passbook linked with Aadhaar card, migration certificate, physically handicapped certificate. For more information, you all can log into www.dtmaharashtra.gov.in. Coming to the scope of pharmacy, the person who does the courses in pharmacy have tremendous scope in this field. They can work in formulation, drugstore, academics, clinical research, herbal drugs, analytical testing, research and development, government jobs, industry and entrepreneurship. They can work in research and development, production, regulatory division, sales and marketing and clinical research in industry. Other opportunities and academics, they can work as pharmacist in different pharmacy, assistant professor, professor and principal in colleges, entrepreneurship and newer avenues. They can work in pharmacovigilance, pharmacogenomic consultancy, wholesale and retail shop, nuclear pharmacy, manufacturing, forensic pharmacy, e-commerce, analytical laboratory. Government jobs, they can work as a pharmacist in Navy, Army, Air Force, in FDA as an analyst, as pharmacist in BSF, blood bank, medical relief societies, professor in government pharmacy college, as pharmacist in railways, government hospital, DRDO, drug controller, drug inspector, and as a scientist in government organization. To get admission in our college, you need to know everything about our college. The name of our institute is Dr. Ved Prakash Patil Pharmacy College. Address: Gevrai Tanda, Python Road, AP, Aurangabad Taluka, District Aurangabad. Website www.drvppharmacy.com. Email drvppharmacy2006@gmail.com. Our courses offered in our college is D Pharmacy 60 seats, B Pharmacy 100 seats, and for Master in Pharmacy, Pharmaceutics 15 seats, Quality Assurance 9 seats, and Pharmaceutical Chemistry 15 seats. The choice codes are given. You all can contact us at the given number below. DT code for B Pharm and Master in Pharmacy is 2154, and DT code for Diploma in Pharmacy is 2143. Our institute has got approval from Pharmacy Council of India, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, and recognized by Government of Maharashtra and DTE, Mumbai. Diploma in Pharmacy is affiliated to Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. The MHT CET exam link is available at our website, and our college admission inquiry Google form is also available at our website. Intake capacity and fee concession scheme subject to government rules. For Diploma in Pharmacy, total 60 seats are available. CAP 48 seats, institute level 12 seats are available. For B Pharmacy, total 100 seats are available. For CAP 80 seats and institute level 20 seats are available. For Master in Pharmacy, total 39 seats are available, from which Pharmaceutics 15, Quality Assurance 9, and Pharmaceutical Chemistry 15 seats are available. Tuition and Development Fee Concession Scheme. Concession for tuition fee for non-CAP students in all the categories is 100%. For concession for CAP category student in open categories, 50% tuition fee for ABC scholarship. For SCBC or OBC, 50% tuition fee from scholarship. VJNT or SBC, 100% tuition fee from scholarship. SC/ST, 100% tuition and development fee from scholarship. And for minority, up to Rs 25,000 scholarship is available. All the students have to pay college development fees in addition to tuition fee, except SC/ST student admitted through CAPRAM. Facilities at our institute: we have spacious classroom with LCD projector, OHP sound system, and broadband internet connection. Laboratories are aesthetically designed. Libraries have 6,000 plus books, and computer and language laboratory has 50 computers connected with a broadband internet connection. Facilities: transport, canteen and RO facility. Sri Dhaneshwari Shaikshnik Sankul is well connected by road from all the way Aurangabad city. We also provide RO filter, clean drinkable water, transport and canteen facility, elevator for personals physically challenged. Campus is always under CCTV surveillance system and security guards. Extracurricular activities performed at our college are sports, culture programs, academics and industrial visit, guest lecture, NSS camps, medical checkup, blood donation camp, pharmacy day, etc. Parent-guardian interrelationship is maintained by conducting parent-teachers meetings to discuss and solve the problem faced by students. The reason to choose us is we invest premium on highly qualified, experienced and competent staff, lush green campus, pollution-free, secure ambience. These are some of the pictures of extracurricular activities performed in our college. Thank you.